hold on. Before you go down there and hit that unsubscribe button, because A, the shot, what is the shot? Where am I? And 2, you literally did not subscribe to this channel to watch me clean out my closet. I get it. I made a video at the beginning of this month where I cleaned out my clothes, and then in that video I said that that was part of a 2-part video where I cleaned my closet, and the second part I would clean like my shoes and everything else and blah 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 blah. Well, let this be a learning lesson to you, to me on the internet. Don't promise 2-part videos unless you've already filmed 2 parts, because man, I don't want to film this. But it's like the end of April and I was doing it for Earth Month, so I feel like it's only right. So we'll resume back to regular programming on Friday. Unless you're interested in this, then today's your day. You better celebrate. Yeah, so what am I going to be doing today? I'm going to be finishing cleaning my closet. I have to go through my entire shoe collection. There are some various other like cubbies down here with like old clothes that I can't wear anymore, and also like blankets and stuff like that. As well as just some other like weird shelves with just like weird stuff. So I'm just gonna be bringing you along with me as I clean out my closet. Hopefully we can make some kind of video out of this work. Let's get into it. So I'm going to move into the shoes first, because I feel like that's the most substance, and then for like the other kind of just like miscellaneous shelves and stuff, I'll probably just time lapse that and like so I can play my tunes and stuff like that, you know? I feel like for this video, I'm probably not going to be getting rid of too many shoes, because I feel like in my first video, I was able to get rid of like a lot of clothes and stuff like that because a lot of them don't fit me right anymore or whatever. But I feel like shoes are kind of one of those things that like no matter what, they'll still fit you. Oh, by the way, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button, and also leave a thumbs up on this video to let me know that you want to see more stuff like it. All right, I'm just gonna start grabbing shoes. Start with these ones. I'm gonna keep these because they were expensive, and also these are like the only sneaker that I really wear. That's loud. I think it's safe to say that I'm going to keep my entire Doc Martens collection, so I'm just gonna like quickly like time lapse this, run through it while I clear this shelf. A lot of the other kind of shoes that I probably will get rid of are like over here or like off camera, So these aren't Doc Martens, these are just Converse, but I'm gonna keep these because I really like them, and they were kind of expensive. I think these were $110 at one point that I paid for these. These also aren't Doc Martens, but literally these are my favorite shoe I've ever purchased, just in general, not even the spikes or anything. I just love Crocs so much. They're so comfortable. I'm gonna keep these. Why are these up here either? These are Tevas. Tevas kind of like had a phase. I'm gonna keep these, but I literally never wear them, but I'm gonna keep them. If there was a pair of Doc Martens that I probably would get rid of, it would be these, but I'm still gonna keep them. Here's a shirt. I have a belt up here. Fun. Riveting content, guys. I know, settle down. Here's an iron. Ew. What? I had the stomach flu and I puked on my carpet, and so I used vinegar and actually ironed it like over with like a towel, and it actually got it out. It worked like a steam cleaner. I didn't have to go and rent one, but that looks really disgusting. Here's my camera box. I don't know why I have this a year later, but a duffel bag, broken hanger, a classic. We all need one of those. Here are these. I'm gonna keep these. Oh, these are so unfortunate. These are suede. I actually paid a lot of money for these. And the problem with these is, see that right there? See that right there? Okay, that's a water stain. iPad Pro box, don't know why that's up there. Oh, these shoes suck. These are literally the worst shoes I've ever had. Sorry, Toms. Yeah, they're awful. They're like literally made out of like cardboard at the bottom. They slip. It's not fun. It's not a good time. These are from H&M. I actually really like these. Cool. A Tupperware lid with no matching bin. That's great. That's great. I'm so happy that this has been taking up so much space in my closet. Why are these in here? Fun. Also, I'm trashing my room right now. These was the box that my Yeezys came in, and I remember I had the box, I saved the box, I thought I was gonna return them, and then I ended up not returning them, so I could probably get rid of this. A baking sheet for whatever reason. What is this? An award? And they said I don't have any talent. 10th place. More awards. 8th place. 8th place. 1st place. Go off. Oh my god, I remember these. I remember I told my mom that I wanted to go running, so she literally went out, she's such an angel, bought me these like running shoes. I mean, I feel like they would be super trendy now, but I used to be kind of embarrassed of them. I feel like, in theory, if I were to clean these, I could actually like rock these with an outfit. I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm also gonna get rid of these. I'm probably gonna get rid of these too. By far, Adidas, if you're watching this, these are literally the most uncomfortable running shoe I've ever had, and I literally ran with these for like a year. Definitely gonna be getting rid of these. Ugh. Oh my god, I remember this. Okay, so I lost one of these shoes. It's somewhere in my house. I don't know where it is, but the issue is I feel like if I get rid of or I throw away this shoe or recycle it, I will find the other one. Like, that's my fear, and so that's why I've held on to it for so long, but I think it's finally time to say, I'm not gonna find it, I have to let go of this and recycle. By the way, when I say get rid of, I mean, obviously in tone of last video, I'm going to be like donating it, recycling it, things like that, not throwing it away. Shoes in landfill, not good. Here's a black canvas, because remember when I followed a Bob Ross painting tutorial and I said I would use the other one and I didn't? Hi guys, so my closet's majority cleaned out, and literally things are everywhere in my room. It's, I'm like actually getting anxiety looking at this. I'm gonna continue plugging away on this. Let's play a game titled How Many Empty Boxes Do I Need in My Closet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 empty boxes, because that's perfectly normal. It's a full day later. So when I started filming this video last night, I was like super manic. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna clean my closet, I'm gonna organize my life, I'm gonna make the best YouTube video ever. And then quickly, as we started seeing like my energy like quickly kind of fell off. And then this morning I woke up literally drained, dead, absolutely exhausted. In general, this whole process from start to finish, I did finish my closet last night off camera. It took me 7.5 hours from the start of the video to actually where I felt that everything was good and done. Definitely would have been probably cut in half, but I have the attention span of a walnut, so literally I would just be like sit down on my phone after like 5 minutes or like start playing with things that I found, or you know, just like the general cleaning things. Definitely, it doesn't look too different to me, and I think the reason why is because I was really good at just kind of hiding things and hiding all the clutter and like making it seem like it's fine, but it really wasn't. And like the second I would go try and use my closet for like any practical use, like stuff would just start falling out everywhere. So starting off with the shoes, I was able to put them in these 3 cubbies over here. Yes, I still have a lot, but I feel like now that they are organized, single, and I could actually see all of them, I could go and maybe pick more shoes, if that makes any sense. Then down here on this bottom one, I actually have my spare set of bedding. I use this one in the winter because it does maintain heat a lot better. And then up here on this shelf, I have like my essential everyday go-to shoes. Notice a trend? They're either black or white. Then up on this top shelf, these are things that were given to me as gifts, maybe for birthdays or Christmas or whatever, and I always feel weird about giving away gifts or anything like that because they do have sentimental value to me. So I put them up there, and I'm going to use them eventually. They're up there for now, but I didn't even know that they were in my closet, so now that I know that they're in there, I'll probably use them. On this other side, we have my duffel bag, my tote bag, and my iron. I was left with several piles of things that I had to find a way to get rid of, and that's basically what I've done today. So I had a pile of boxes that I had to break down for recycling and go through and get out any manuals or anything. And then I had a bag of trash. I had folded up sheets and old blankets that I never really used, a bag of the shoes that I got rid of, and then also a bag of clothes that can't be donated. So with the sheets and everything, I was able to just put them somewhere else. With the boxes, as hard as it was, I did go through, I took out all the plastic inserts, which was a nightmare. So I put all of kind of everything from the boxes in this bag, and then the one box that I did keep intact was this iPad Pro box, which is my old iPad Pro, simply because I don't know exactly if I want to sell that yet. And then in terms of the kind of clothing that is not suitable for donations, I actually found somewhere locally that uses old clothing and everything like that to and they actually repurpose them for like quilts and stuff like that for local animal shelters. So I'm going to be dropping off all of that to them, and they said that they will handle it from there. And then my shoes, I'm at a little bit of a crossroads with, because I feel like in general, especially like with my last video where I was donating clothes, I did a lot of research into where I was donating them to, and so I'm doing the same with my shoes. And I feel like everywhere where I find somewhere saying, yes, donate to this organization, they're doing great things, the next thing that I read is an expose on that organization saying how they're doing terrible things. Definitely, I think an interesting area if you want to do like a deep dive, if you're into that, is the world of donated goods. Like there's so much, like so many layers to peel back with it. So my shoes are going to take me a little bit to find the right organization or something to pass those on to, you know. That is my today's video. I do really hope that you enjoyed it. I don't even know how I'm gonna put this together in editing because it's literally spanning over 2 days. Other than that, I'm going to go now. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. And yeah, I have to go write a speech now. So bye!